Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is world's largest afforestation initiative. China has successfully completed a 3,046 kilometer sand blocking green belt around the Taklimakan Desert as part of its efforts to combat desertification. This green belt is a key part of the Three-North Shelterbelt Forest Program launched in 1978 and set to complete by 2050. The program is one of the largest afforestation initiatives globally and focuses on desertification control in northwest, north and northeast China. The green belt aims to create a protective tree barrier to stop the spread of deserts, restore ecosystems and improve environmental conditions. Drishti IAS is excited to announce its first offline batch of IAS GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at Noida Center. Hindi medium batch will start on 9th December at 11:30 am and English medium batch will start from 12th December at 6 pm. For more details, call us on 9311-406-440 or visit us at C171/2 Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP, near Metro Station Noida, Sector 15. So hurry, book your seats now. Now moving on to key objectives of the Three-North Shelterbelt Forest Program. The primary goal is to halt desertification by creating a sustainable green barrier across China's arid regions. TSFP aims to enhance forest coverage, stabilize the soil and improve biodiversity in regions affected by desert expansion. By planting trees, the program helps reduce sandstorms and provides better environmental conditions for agriculture and human habitation. The initiative is part of China's broader environmental and sustainable development goals, aiming for completion by 2050. Now moving on to achievements and impact. Since its inception, over 32 million hectares of land have been reforested, significantly increasing forest coverage in affected regions. The green belt is not only a protective barrier against desertification but also enhances local biodiversity and soil fertility. The afforestation efforts have led to improved air quality and better water retention in the soil, which benefits local communities and wildlife. This initiative also plays a role in mitigating the effects of climate change by sequestering carbon and reducing carbon emissions. Now is the time for practice question. What is the main goal of China's Three-North Shelterbelt Forest Program? Economic growth, combat desertification, promote urbanization, or boost tourism? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.